School districts across the region are facing COVID-19 trouble since students return to the classroom. In Southwest Virginia, all schools require masks. In Northeast Tennessee, parents can opt their students out of any requirements. Bianca Murray looked at numbers from 10 local districts from both states and tells us how they stack up.
Since the beginning of the school year, Virginia has had a statewide mask mandate for schools. Tennessee has implemented an opt-out option for families who did not want to mask up. This is reflected in the percentage of positive COVID cases in Northeast Tennessee schools at 8.55% and Southwest Virginia schools at 3.59%.
This last wave, I think, was essentially preventable. We had the appropriate tools in place, but we relaxed all of our safety measures, and people have become recalcitrant as far as following these safety measures that we know works.
Out of 10 local school districts, we adjusted the percentages to reflect the number of instructional day totals. Northeast Tennessee districts reported far higher case rates than Southwest Virginia, with Greenville City Schools reporting the most, 12.5%, and Bristol, Virginia City Schools the lowest, with 2.1%.
Our focus is really not being to prevent spread, but to prevent quarantines, because if our kids are not in school, we can't teach them. And so I think by approaching it from that manner, we've actually prevented spread because the mitigations that we have in place are really top notch.
Perigin tells me the system last week implemented 7 new mitigation strategies when cases started to rise, including temperature checks when students arrive at school, screening questions to parents, and of course, masking up. Kingsport City Schools had one of the highest rates of transmission.
Our teachers and our administrators in our schools, monitoring as best as they can that list of individuals that have opted out, and trying again to enforce and facilitate a mask environment as much as possible.
Reporting in Kingsport, Bianca Murray, News Channel 11.